Absolutely, Mr. Chairman.
Absolutely.
Hindi
Okay.
hindi po mangyayari ito kung wala pong kung malinis po at transparent ang proseso ng procurement at either the district levels or the regional levels. Mr. Chairman,
Okay, Secretary,
hindi po mangyayari ito.
If bid rigging, in your estimation, bid rigging nangyari, at tingin naman ng mga tao nangyari nga naman yung bid rigging, sa Philippine Competition Act, meron pong mga provision po dyan, tsaka penalties for bid rigging. No? At yung penalty po dyan is 100 to 250 million pesos per offense. So I'm raising this because importante sa taong bayan, hindi lang na may makulong, hindi lang na lahat ng involved ay makulong, pero mabalik rin yung pera. And this could possibly be a way for us to get that money back. No? Kasuhan natin through the Philippine Competition Act, the PCC, can motu proprio also do an investigation. Pwedeng kasuhan ng bid rigging yung mga contractors, i-fine sila ng hundreds of millions of pesos, baka sa dami ng offense, umabot pa yan ng billion, at makuha natin yung perang kinuha nila sa bayan.